So, Kunal, let's start with your introduction.
Right. So, hi everyone, this is Kunal. I'm from Calcutta. I am having around 4.5 years of experience, mainly in the AWS data engineering domain. I did my
Okay.
graduations in computer application
Mm.
from a college in Calcutta, and then I started working at Deloitte since 2020. Around 2 months back, I have switched to KPMG, and there I'm working as a consultant in the data engineering field.
Okay, that's great, Kunal.
That's
So, what were your thoughts before entering into data engineering field?
Right. So I started my career as a MuleSoft developer, surprisingly, and then I was not understanding the ins and outs of that tool, to be honest. So,
Mm.
and during my college days, I took up a lot of course around
Mm.
analytics. So I was always enthusiastic about being an analyst more than
Okay.
data engineer. So my interest was around analytics more than engineering in my early phase of my career. There was an
Mm.
opportunity in my firm to go and work as a Tableau developer. Took that opportunity and I moved into Tableau developer role. I worked there for 6 months. My interest started growing around how the data is coming into those tables, and that's when I started kind of learning about data engineering and what are the responsibilities of a data engineer in day-to-day life. I started studying about it. Then, fortunately, I have got another opportunity in my organization to be
Okay.
part of a team where they were working as, and since I acquired those skills mostly
Huh.
around my own, it was self-learning completely. So due to that, I got exposure on data engineering, and then I wanted myself to be called as a data engineer, and that's when I started looking around a proper course, and I landed at Bosscoder, and that's where my journey began.
Okay. Great journey. So, did you face any challenges or any problems before cracking your data engineering role?
Yeah, there was a time actually. It's a fast moving world, right? As we all know, it's everything
Mm.
is rapidly changing, not just technology, but
Right.
everything, right? And technology being one part of it. I always felt when I was in college and
Mm.
I was learning about machine learning and analytics, but it's like today I'm learning something, the next day something else comes out, and the previous day's learnings. It
Yeah.
helps, but then it becomes obsolete very quickly. So my
Exactly.
challenge has always been that catching up with the
Mm.
latest trends, because
Okay.
as a working professional, you are not, you don't have that much time on a daily basis to spend on learning. So
Exactly.
at least that's what I was looking for, a course that guides me, mentors me, and prepares me for what I'm looking for. And they
Mm.
have a brilliant course structure, by the way. Like I got a chance to review their latest curriculum, and
Mm.
they have planned out every corner scenarios. So I mean, as a working professional, if you start looking for, if you're looking to transition yourself, then it becomes really challenging because you have limited time and your experience increases. But what
Yes.
you need is a proper guidance and a structured course where you need what you need, right? You don't need
Mm.
everything in the world. You need to
Exactly.
know certain things that will help you. And this is what I felt challenging, but also on a flip side, Bosscoder has helped me gain that, and they have really helped me getting that consistency in my learning
Mm.
and bringing that confidence of catching up with the pace of rapidly changing technologies.
Okay, that's great to hear. And like you mentioned that the structure is needed, a platform is needed where everything, you get everything like mentorship, guidance, and learning
Yeah.
resources. So, what is your feedback or what is your review about Bosscoder program?
Yeah, as I said, I was looking for consistency and
Mm.
a structured platform where everything I have it at one place that I can log in and for today, this is my
Yeah.
task, this is what I have to do,
Mm.
these are the courses, these are the videos that I have to go through. They're offering live classes, obviously, but sometimes you miss them, and then there is feature that you can go back and watch the older videos. So that has
Yeah.
really helped me plan my learning in 3 months. So
Mm.
I basically this course is of around 6 to 7 months, right?
Yeah.
But when I joined, I wanted to change quickly. So along
Okay.
with what this course was offering, I also started learning by myself.
Mm-hmm.
I felt okay, I need to catch up pace. But this cross coder has helped me to gain the most important thing, which is consistency. I was not consistent enough. Right today,
Yeah.
I'm learning. I was solving few problems. Then the next 5 days, I was not. When you start working in an organization, you go into that
Mhm.
comfort zone, right? You feel okay,
Exactly.
like it'll pass, okay, let's be here. But this particular course has helped me, like made me consistent enough so that I log in to boss coder platform every day, and whatever is asked of me, I complete that. That has rapidly changed my mindset and how I was looking to transition myself in my initial days and how I look at it now. that has made a huge difference. So this has really helped me.
So, like, while exploring options to upskill yourself, did you go through other platforms as well, or like, what was your specific reason to join Bosscoder only?
Yeah, I started looking at the internet, right? What I was
Mm,
basically looking there right now, there are a lot of courses that are being offered by, but I read the reviews which are
yeah.
out there, and I understood like Boss Coder is something they are offering this data engineering course, right?
Mm,
They mainly started as a software engineering course, right? That they generated massive numbers with that, right, in terms of
exactly.
placements. So that's what brought me to Bosscoder, and I'm happy
Mm,
to say that I have been in that journey myself, and I have been able to achieve what I wanted to, though not fully, because my aim when I joined was to join a product base. But I always felt that I am one company behind, right, before making a switch to the product. So this is
yeah.
the step I've made. My course is still left. I have to complete it, and hopefully I will be someday going to that. Able to accomplish 100% of what I thought with.
Yeah. Definitely, like, for sure, you will be entering into product base very soon. Uh, okay, yeah. So moving ahead, what is your feedback about the mentors and instructors at Bosscoder?
Yeah. So one good thing about this program is that every instructor knows what they are on about, right? It's not
Yeah.
like anyone teaching anything. It's like
Mm,
the real professionals working out there with some experience, with big experiences working at big companies. They are teaching you, so it really helps you. They really groom you. They know what the pain points are. They know what kind of questions you would be asked in interviews. So they prepare you like that, right? It's not like how you were taught in college, right? Whatever comes in an exam, you just learn that. They cover all corners, as I said. They
mm,
teach you what is needed in the industry. Not
mm.
just It will not just help you crack the interviews, but also make sure that when you join that company, you are able to offer efficiency, and what is why they hired you for, right? You are going to
Yeah.
excel performing there as well. And coming to the mentorship, right, it's a really important thing. It's the most important aspect of this
Mm,
program. They offer you a mentor who is going to be there for you till the last date of your program, right?
okay.
My mentor, I want to specifically call out Jagdishwar. So
Yeah.
there are sessions where I connected with him officially. There are sessions that I have connected
Mm,
with him unofficially, where he has
okay.
helped me take decisions when I was
Mm,
transitioning. I had other offers also, right? I had offers from multiple other companies, but I was always in talks with him to
okay.
understand which one is the best decision. So he has definitely helped me taking that decision, not just on the portal, but also offline. That really
Okay.
helped.
Yeah. That's like that's really helpful for many learners. Mentorship has been a part of everyone's journey for sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
like, if you had to advise someone, advise or give some tips to a working professional who is currently upskilling themselves, so what would be your tips?
I would only say that the market is very difficult right now with a lot taking place. Right, it's not easy,
Mm,
but once you get at the end of the tunnel, it is really all worth of it, right? So
mm,
I would just say keep working hard. Just remember why you started data engineering, why you wanted to be a data engineer. You just have to
mm.
prove yourself and no one. Just working hard and be consistent, and you will make it one day for sure.
Great tip. Yes, for sure. And yes, that will definitely help the learner or someone who is working right now and want to upskill for sure.
Right.
So yeah,
Yep.
before ending the session, just one last thing. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate Postcode's program?
I would rate 9 out of 10, right? Because just 1 point, there is always
Mm,
room for improvement. Definitely a 9 deserves a 9.
for sure. Thanks, Kunal. Thanks for the rating. And yeah, thank you so much, Kunal, for joining and sharing your journey and also sharing your tips for someone who is listening. So thank you, Kunal, for joining. It was great talking to you.
Thank you, Aditya. Thank you for this opportunity.